Welcome to Dr. Balaga's God Knowledge Doc podcast, your quick dive into the latest medical breakthroughs to keep you ahead of the curve. Let's get started. Today is June 13th, 2025. This video is on a Nature paper published on 11 June 2025 titled Early Life High-fructose impairs microglial phagocytosis and neurodevelopment. Background: high fructose diets during early life, that is pregnancy, lactation, and neonatal, are linked to neurodevelopmental issues including mood and anxiety disorders. Microglial phagocytosis is essential for proper neurodevelopment through clearance of dying neurons. Methods: the investigators used neonatal mice exposed to 15% kilocalorie fructose diet via dam or direct ingestion. The groups included wild type and GLUT5 deficient mice. Behavioral tests used were novel object recognition, modified Barnes maze, and fear extinction. In vitro studies used mouse and stem cell derived microglia cultured in 1 to 5 millimolar fructose under controlled oxygen. Sample size included 6 to 10 per group and followed up until adolescence. They used imaging, metabolomics, used confocal microscopy, liquid chromatography with mass spectroscopy, and NMR in this study. Key results: high fructose impaired microglial phagocytosis and altered morphology. The effect was GLUT5 dependent, and it was rescued in GLUT5 knockout mice and microglia specific knockout mice. Fructose altered microglial metabolism. There was increased fructose 6-phosphate, decreased ATP, and increased hexokinase 2 mitochondrial localization. Behavioral changes: wild type mice exposed to high fructose had impaired recognition memory and fear extinction, p-value less than 0.01. Limitations of the studies: animal study, human extrapolation requires caution. Key takeaways: fructose's neurodevelopmental impact is mediated by microglial GLUT5 and metabolic rewiring. Reducing high fructose exposure in early life may mitigate risk for mood and anxiety disorders later on. It's interesting, there's an international bookseller called The Anxious Generation, authored by Jonathan Haidt, and it says how the great rewiring of childhood is causing an epidemic of mental illness. One wonders whether the high fructose intake contributed to the anxious generation. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with your colleagues. When we change how we see disease, we change how we shape lives. Until next time, stay curious, stay compassionate, and keep seeking wisdom. Podcast brought to you by Master MedFacts at mastermedfacts.com.